If you have ever used VLOOKUP in Excel to combine data from multiple tables, you know how messy that process can get. In this video, you'll learn how Power BI solves this by using data modeling, by creating relationships between tables so they can work together automatically. Let's see how to build a simple data model and connect your datasets.
So here we have two data sets connected by a relationship. This is a relationship, and that's really a data model. You can have like 10 tables in a data model. You can have 20 tables, but this is a simple data model, and it will start to grow more complex based on how many different connections and how many different data sources you are connecting here. So this is a very simple one. Let's have a look at some of the elements of a data model. So first, I'll just delete it. You can click on this line. And maybe some of you do not have a line, so Power BI tries to guess a relationship between two data sets. It is not 100% accurate all the time, but it's pretty good. So it can actually automatically establish a relationship between two data sets. But if it does not happen, you can just, we can just start from the scratch. You will have something like this. So just click on the line and delete it. So we just, see how to establish, how to understand. So we have this product table, we have the sales table, which is the common field or common column by which this table is connected with the product table. And you can start writing it down into your chat window. If you want to unmute yourself, you can speak out. Product code, that's correct. I have product code here and I have a product code here. Correct. So how do I establish the relationship? Very, very simple. I start from product code, hold, like I click on the product code with my mouse, hold, drag, and just put it on the product code. That's it. So it establishes a relationship between two data sets. Now you don't have to do a VLOOKUP. Ideally in Excel kind of a scenario, what we will do is we will write a VLOOKUP, select a product code in sales table, refer the product code in the product table, and we'll try to bring all the columns back into the sales table. So you don't have to do that. You can actually keep that separate. Now, there are a few things which might be a problem. So I'll just show you to start from the product code. See how it appears to you that the relationship is there, but Power BI can actually establish, look what is happening. In this case, it has actually connected product code with retailer city, which does not make any sense. And once you go to your visualization, it will start giving you some very incorrect results. And after quite, some troubleshooting, you will realize that Power BI established a relationship between two incorrect fields. So once you establish a connection, it's a good practice to just, hover your mouse on top of the field, on top of the relationship, just to see how the relationship is established. So I will delete this. So that's one good practice. Just keep that in mind. It can happen. Now I just check. It's fine. Now I have country and city. Country and sales table. So should I connect my country table with product, sales? What do you think? How should I connect my country table with this data model that I have?
City to city in the sales table.
Correct. City to city. So I can start from city, hold, drag, point towards the city, and just leave it. That's really a data model now. Now this table will start speaking with this table starts speaking with this table.